One.
So in this video, I will share with you exactly how to use lead magnets to get more qualified traffic to your blogs, to your advertorials, and in the end, to get more customers, clients, and sales. Now, if you're a service-based business owner or if you're an affiliate marketer, this is really important. Why? For example, if you're selling ClickBank products, you need to know that one of the best ways to make money, not only on the front end, by going to the direct to the sale, it's to also collect the emails and build an email list with email marketing, so you can promote different offers on the back end to the same existing customers. Why? Because you acquired a customer. Let's say you paid $1,000 to acquire, I don't know, 100 customers, right? 100 sales. Now out of these 100 sales, those people, if you're not collecting their email addresses, will be gone. They are gone. And now next month you need to find new customers. So one of the best way is to collect the emails from the existing customers right now that you already have, that you already spent $1,000 on, and promote them different offers that they are most likely to buy, that they're most likely to be interested in the next month or month after, right? So you can be making passive income from the same customer over and over again. So you can leverage that dollar that you spent on Facebook or Google Ads. Now you see over here we have traffic, and traffic are visitors to your page. Now you know that if you want to have more sales, you need traffic. Now traffic you get from Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and different platforms. And another thing over here, you see those are 1, 2, 3, those are the lead magnets. Now what are the lead magnets? Lead magnets are can be like simple as an ebook, right? You have a simple ebook which gives free information to the customer. Now in the old ways, 5, 10 years ago, people would just give them the free report and sales page, and that was it, right? Right now it doesn't work this way. So you need to have different solutions. You need to know what is the underlying symptoms of the market that you are in. For example, in the relationship space, let's say the person who is about to break up or after the divorce, you need to know what is their pains and present symptoms that they're having right now at this moment, what are their pains. So if you know that, you can offer them a solution in your free report, in your lead magnet. Let's say that you are in the weight loss niche and you're promoting a weight loss pills or e-course, online course about how to get six-pack, right? So you could give the name, which is really important over here, catch their attention by the right copywriting headline. You see, amazing apps in 21 days. You could just put in your lead magnet over here, let's say over here, you put for solution 1, simple 1 ebook that you can get for free. And after this video, if you want to work with me personally, you can let me know. I will show exactly how I created my free ebook in less than 24 hours, which is my lead magnet, that you can also create yourself for free without having to pay and outsource it to the freelancers, right? Most gurus are not telling you this because they want you to waste money, but I can give you for free exactly how to get your own ebook that you can use as a value created tool to get more leads and more sales. You see, you have different solutions. You can offer them 1, 2, 3 lead magnets, 3 different ebooks or only one, and you offer them a solution. You don't give them a sales copy or a crappy product. You offer them a free solution. You offer them something, let's say it could be even 1 tip, right? If you are in the diet phase or keto diet, it could be a simple 3 tips to better abs with this keto diet, for example, right? And you could give them, let's say, a tips about how to get their protein shakes together, something like that. Very simple, very easy and doable for everyone, and very profitable. You see over here another one in the relationship space. It could be 5 top sex tips or 37 ways to improve your life if you're in self-help, personal development space, like for example Bob Proctor, Tony Robbins, all these million or billion-dollar people who are working in this space, self-help and personal development niches. So you see, you have all these tips that you can use to create your lead magnets that are leading then to the main offer. And I'm sure that 100% sure that if you're sending people from here, right, this is traffic to the solution over here, and from here, after they get the solution, they will most likely go to your main offer, and then also means that you as an affiliate are getting thousands of dollars in sales. So if you want to know exactly how to do this yourself, how to put up the lead magnet yourself, and marketing system in place, then please subscribe to the channel. And after subscribing to my channel, below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts. We can connect together on Facebook, email, or Instagram account, and then I'll give you exact step-by-step framework done for you that you can put into action like today, right now, and be able to make this happen and generate sales. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.